Chengdu International School, our STEAM program promotes inquiry-based learning that equips students with the skills to analyze complex problems, evaluate information, and devise effective solutions. This pairs well with our pre-AP and AP programs, which encourage and challenge students to think critically about a topic. This kind of critical thinking fosters creativity and innovation, allowing students to approach real-world challenges with confidence. At CDIS, we also value the collaboration and communication skills that students gain while working in teams to tackle projects. These skills are not only essential for academic success, but also prepare our students for any future career they might be interested in.
STEAM in our Early Childhood Center looks like students having lots of opportunities throughout the day to learn through hands-on, play-based learning, where they get to discover how things fit together. They get to explore the design process and learn about life while enjoying experiments that teach the basics of engineering and even the scientific method. And if they make mistakes, they get to try again. And they really enjoy learning in this way because it's really how they are wired. Curiosity is a big part of the process, and we want them to love learning. First through fifth grade, we now have our own purpose-built robotics lab. And so students can go there and they do a little bit of coding, they learn about how to put their robots together, and they do some little competing as well. For art, we have added in some really amazing clubs through drama and also through our music club. Because we know that students want to express themselves in a variety of ways and they have lots of talents. And art is a really big component of STEAM. And then of course we have things like chess club, which teaches students critical thinking and the strategy, and also math. We also have a gardening club. And through gardening, students learn lots of different things about the growth process, and they get to take care of the plants, and they love learning about what it takes to make them grow, how to cultivate them, where do plants come from, and how do we take care of our environment.